The next question is, which audiences can you analyze? In total, there are 3 different audiences. The first option is to analyze everyone on Facebook. This gives you an overview of specific groups of people who are active on Facebook. It's a great option if you want to do a generic market analysis because you can take a look at the audiences of your competitors or the people who are interested in a certain topic. It's really insane how detailed and accurate results you can get with just a few clicks. We'll take a look at that audience later. The second option is people connected to your page. Select this feature if you want to understand your existing audience better. If you have a fan page in place, hey, that's great, use this feature then. And last but not least, you can select a custom audience. If you are already using Facebook custom audiences, which you absolutely should, then you can select an existing audience here. It's a powerful tool to analyze your website visitors and email lists, phone numbers, Facebook user IDs, or app users. So you can just analyze your internal data, the data that you have from your customers. So if you have a lot of customer data, then this is a fantastic feature that enables you to understand the demographics and the behavior of people you already know better. Throughout this training, we'll focus on all 3 options, don't worry about that, but as you can see, there's lots of stuff you can do with Facebook Audience Insights, and that's why I love this tool so much.